Today we have a very special Ferrari, a 1950 195 Inter, one of 28 195 Inters, and one of only 13 bodied by Vignale. It is absolutely exceptional. It's a show winner. We're going to let the description on the website speak for itself and document its entire history because it is vast, and take it for a ride and show you how well it works. So we'll be right back. Alrighty, here we are. The lovely 195 Inter. As we said, one of 13 bodied by Vignale. And we're going to warm it up. Go first to third until she really warms up. I tell you, we'll be back to you shortly. Alrighty, well, definitely operating temperatures. It's very cool, very 1950s, immediately eligible, actually brakes really well and straight. Handles the bumps extremely well. Not quite like a Kia, but well, you know what I mean. It is fun. It does not have power steering. It will make you work a little bit. But I have to say, the charm factor is pretty exceptional. So here we come up to where we have our flybys, and luckily it is not a bazillion degrees outside, so it's quite comfy. And we're going to turn into our road here. Going back to the homestead. The gearbox is warmed up. The car runs extremely well, which is a testament to Markowski at RPM in Vermont, who's done all the servicing and sorting of this 195 Inter. It's really tight. Once you get really used to it, it's actually not as heavy as it might seem, and it feels great cruising or on the back road. Right now we're going to show you how it brakes, how we don't hit the car ahead of us, and show you how it will sit in a little bit of Long Island traffic. So as you can see, everything is working. Lights, horn, which of course everyone's going to think I'm just an annoying New Yorker right now asking them to move when they can't really go anywhere. So let me come back to, it's at 80 degrees water temperature. It is sitting happily in traffic. All right, well, let's see what this rocket ship can do. Horsepower isn't everything. This is just fun. Fun, fun, class and eligible for some of the coolest events in the world and ready to go. And we welcome any questions anyone may have for this rare 195 Inter, bodied by Vignale.